Hi there, everybody. I hope you can hear me okay. I don't have my normal microphone. This is a very brief thank you to those of you who participated in Module 15. And as you can probably remember, it was mainly about professional development, about developing yourself as teachers. There was actually a questionnaire about professional development in this module where you discussed what you do, what you would like to do, and what you wouldn't try. And it's quite a mixed set of responses. Nothing really stands out apart from perhaps this. I think this is something here, observing colleagues teaching, which could be really useful if you have the chance to do it. Although I notice, of course, asking colleagues to observe us to teach it never feels quite so comfortable, does it? But I actually, although I don't like being observed really because it unsettles me a little bit, the thought of it, the result is always positive because I actually think a lot more about my teaching and about what I'm doing. So as difficult as it might be, I would recommend asking colleagues to come in. Okay, there were other questionnaires too. There was one which was around teenagers and getting teenagers speaking. Thanks very much to CTS Lena for these responses. And the most important thing, I think you were discussing this as well earlier in the course, it's getting teenagers to talk, isn't it? It's much more difficult than it is with, say, primary learners. And you have to really think hard about the techniques you can use, perhaps role plays, perhaps giving them very specific characters to play, which they would be comfortable playing, in order to get them to speak. Finally, there was a forum on grammar activities, and thanks again to CTS Lena, Hao and Kartina for your contributions. This was really the kind of things we asked you to consider when you're making or adapting grammar activities. Hal mentioned the importance of colours, using different colours to be clear in your explanations. CTS Lena had a nice fun idea for playing a game with a ball, with people standing in a circle, and you can throw the ball to a student, ask them a question, or ask them, for example, the past tense of a verb. They answer quickly and then throw the ball back to you, or of course you could get them to throw the ball to the next person and ask a question to them. Kartina spoke in more detail really and about the importance of examples when you're teaching grammar, and I'd agree with that definitely. Okay, this was a very brief sort of revision of what you did in Module 15. I hope you'll get the chance to come online for Module 16. I'm going to give you some speaking practice for Aptis very soon, so watch out for that. Thanks, bye.